Hi there, welcome to my channel, Jewel Street. If you've been subscribed, you know that I love Dior makeup and fragrances, and I frequently place orders all the time and unbox them on my channel. Be sure to check out those shorts if you haven't seen them, and make sure to subscribe if you're a luxury beauty or Dior beauty lover like me. In this video, I'll be showing you what I recently ordered from the Dior website, sharing details on each of the items that I purchased, and also showing you what came as a complimentary gift with each of the orders. Stick around until the end to learn how I get freebies with each of my orders and which promo codes I used for these orders. So I placed 2 orders, so 1, 2, a few weeks ago. They arrived in this gorgeous Mother's Day packaging. So fun and pretty. I love the dragonflies, the bees, and the butterflies, as well as the flowers on here. At checkout, you can select what kind of packaging that you want to receive. I keep most of the boxes from my Dior beauty orders. They're very sturdy, and I use them for storing my keepsakes. So we're going to start off with this order first. You can also customize a message. So this one says Happy Mother's Day. Let's start with what I purchased first, and then I'll show you what was complimentary. Start with this one. This eyeshadow palette is from the summer collection. This is the Diorshow 5-color eyeshadow palette in the 974 pink Riviera colorway. It retails for $71. And it comes in a coral version as well, which I almost picked out, but I ended up going with the cool tones from this one. I really just couldn't resist the pink. The embossing on this is so beautiful. As you can see, I love how this looks, but I do believe that this gold is actually just a topper, and it'll kind of go away with use, but it is stunning all the same. So this one is also from the summer collection. This is the limited edition Dior Forever Glow Luminizer in the shade 004 Coral Glow. This retails for $55. And this is a combination of a blush and a highlighter in one. It's housed in this stunning packaging that brings me so much joy. Look at that. It has the hallmark Toile de Jouet print in pink on the outside, as well as this beautiful embossing on the inside. The last purchase item in this order is this right here. It's another compact. This is the Dior Forever Nude bronzer in the shade 04 Warm, and it has a radiant glowy finish just like a lot of their other powders, including the first one that I showed you. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, which is very cool. I am obsessed with this faux leather quilting on the packaging. The total for this order was $178. Let's move on to the complimentary items that came with the order. Here is the standard pouch that comes with every order that your freebies come with, the ones that you select at checkout. So I picked for my 2 samples, my 2 regular samples, I picked out these 2 right here, Dior Riviera and BEAUTYLOVE. These are perfect for throwing in your purse. For the deluxe minis, I picked out these 2, the classic and feminine Miss Dior mini, and this right here is Esprit Ombre Nuit. I love the regular Ombre Nuit, so I really was excited to get this one as well. These are super cute to display and also to use. They're dabbers, by the way. So on top of the complimentary items that I selected at checkout that I just showed you from that pouch, I also entered a promo code that was themed around the lip glow balm. So we have this. Oh, that feels so fun and smooth. This was called the Glow Pouch. I love the zipper pull detail on this. It's so so gorgeous. This feels like silicone, and actually that's perfect for makeup because it'll be so easy to clean. Love the zipper pull details. They always do such a good job on those for the complimentary pouches, and very cute and very roomy. Next we have this Dior phone charm. Very cute, if a bit silly. As I said, it's themed around the lip glow launch, and that's why it says lip glow on here. It also says Dior. And last but not least are these stickers. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I love stickers so much. I never know what to do with them, but I've always loved collecting them. That's it for this order. Let's move on to the next one. Here is my second order. I'll start off with what I purchased. First, we have this limited edition Dior Forever Glow Luminizer Highlighter Powder. This is in the shade 03 Pink Halo. It retails for $52. This is a crystal glow finish that is super reflective, and just look at how stunning this compact is. I am obsessed again with the quilting, so beautiful. Next is the Dior Rouge blush in the shade 475 Rose Caprice. Right here, look at how pretty that is. This retails for $45. The formula is long wear, and look at how beautiful this color is. I really couldn't resist this pink. Love the brush that comes with this compact. It's so convenient. Lastly, for the purchase items is this Diorshow Overvolume Mascara. It's a 24-hour extreme volume mascara. It's in the shade 090 Overblack, and it retails for $33. This is a new beauty launch, and this is what the wand looks like. And I won't lie, I did kind of get it for the packaging. I mean, that's the main reason I get most of my things from Dior. Packaging on this is so cool. It's gonna bring me so much joy to use this. The total for this order was $130. Now let's go into the complimentary items, which are gonna be in this white pouch here. For my complimentary samples, I picked out these two J'adore travel sprays. And this one is from the promo code I used. For my deluxe minis, I had to, of course, pick out the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer mini. Look at how cute this is. It's in the shade 001 Pink, and these are so handy for on the go. You wouldn't think so, but they last quite a while. And then lastly, for the deluxe item that I picked out, I got something different. It's the Dior Homme fragrance. This one actually comes with a blotter, which is different from their other ones. And it smells pretty good actually. Not for me, but for the Homme in my life, of course. Now what I got with the promo code, other than that J'adore travel spray, it's this stunning pouch that they came out with for Mother's Day. It's made of this mesh material, and it has beautiful embroidered or applique details on it. And again, love their classic little zipper pull. You take out the desiccant. So it's pretty roomy, but it is just so pretty. And I can't wait to start using this. So that concludes what I received in both of my orders. Now let's get down to business. I'm going to explain how you get freebies with your orders. One of the ways is through a promo code that you enter at checkout. For my orders I made in April that I just showed you, the first order promo code I used was Pink Look 48, and the second was Mom DY25. I believe that second code is still valid for orders over $130. and you can only use one promo code per order, which is why I placed 2 separate orders since I wanted those items anyways. On the screen, I'm going to put up other codes that you can try as well. They sell out sometimes, so it's handy to try a few of them and make sure that you're meeting the minimum spend. Outside of the promo codes, the website offers 2 complimentary samples with every order. At checkout, if you order over $100, then you're also able to select a deluxe mini. To add an extra deluxe mini like I do, you'd have to join Dior's loyalty program, which is now called Dior Beauty Privé. It's a free program, and I think it's a great idea to join if you frequently shop at Dior. They have different tiers depending on how many orders and how much you have spent. I reached the gold tier last year, and my status was just renewed this year, which means that I'll be getting another welcome gift and I believe a birthday gift as well, just like I did last year, and I shared that on my shorts. I'll make sure to unbox a short of this year's gold welcome gift that is on its way. Here's a sneak peek anyways. This is a really great way to get additional freebies. My last recommendation is to pay attention to promotions on the website. Sometimes they'll offer a freebie with your order that is automatically added to your cart without a promo code, and this happens a lot during the holidays. It's a great way to stack additional complimentary items on top of what you get at checkout, the promo codes, and whatever you're eligible for through the loyalty program. I hope that information was helpful. That is all I have for you in this video today. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know what you think, or if you have any questions in the comments down below, and I will do my best to answer. I will see you in the next one. Bye!